Hi, honor students. Dean Corvino here with our weekly video message. So when I'm not doing Dean stuff, I'm actually a philosophy professor, and my specialty is ethics, where we explore fundamental questions about how we should live. And I'm very excited this week because each year the philosophy department has a big endowed lecture that is more public facing, more accessible to a general audience. And this year, one of my favorite ethicists, Professor Elizabeth Anderson of the University of Michigan, will be speaking on what should a work ethic mean for us today. And I'm very excited because I've seen Professor Anderson speak before, and she is an exciting and interesting philosopher. And I really think the topic on what the work ethic should mean for us today is a very interesting topic. So I wanted to let you all know about that. It is this Thursday, November 3rd at 4 p.m. in the Bernath Auditorium of the undergraduate library. That's right on the first floor. Again, this Thursday, 4 p.m., Professor Elizabeth Anderson on what the work ethic should mean for us today. A couple of other quick announcements. A reminder, if you are an honors senior and wish to apply for the Finish Line Scholarship for the coming year, the deadline for that is November 11th. You can find out more information in the announcement section of Canvas. Also, I am soliciting videos for our Zoom to the Finish fundraiser this coming spring. We are looking for videos of up to 3 minutes where we showcase honors talent. You can find out more about that on our Canvas page as well. I hope you're having a great semester. Take care, and we'll see you soon.